Sick of lag and FPS drops messing up your victory royale in Fortnite? No worries. In today's video, I'll hook you up with the deets on fixing these problems and optimizing your potato for maximum performance. So let's dive right into the solutions without wasting any time. Method 1. Lower your in-game graphics quality. To do this, first launch Fortnite on your computer. Then click on your profile icon and then click on the settings icon from here. Next, click on settings from this menu. Then lower your resolution a little. Next, turn off VSync. After that, change the rendering mode. Select performance for it. Then scroll down to the graphics quality section. And from the quality presets, either choose low or medium. Then scroll down to advanced graphics quality and turn off all these options. Then click on apply and then on restart now. Wait for the game to relaunch. After the game opens up, go to settings again. Then switch to the game tab. Switch your matchmaking region to one with lower ping. Then click on apply. This should stop the sudden FPS drops when playing. Method 2. Switching Fortnite to high performance mode for graphics can also reduce lag. To do this, open settings. Then click on system and then on display. Next, scroll down a little and click on graphics. Then click on the browse button. Now go to the folder where you have installed Fortnite. By default, it should be the C drive. Then go to the program folder and open the Epic Games folder. Next, open the Fortnite folder and then the Fortnite game folder. After that, navigate to the binaries folder and then the Win64 folder. From here, double-click on Fortnite client-Win64-shipping. Now scroll down a little and find Fortnite in this list and click on it. Then click on Option. After that, select High Performance from the pop-up window and then click on Save. Now you should notice smoother gameplay as this will reduce the FPS drops and lags. Method 3. Change the power mode of your computer. To do this, open up Settings. Then click on System. Then click on Power. Now click on this little box and choose the best performance from the drop-down menu. This will make Fortnite run faster. Method 4. Shutting down unused apps can give Fortnite a sweet little FPS boost. So before firing up Fortnite, open up the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar here and then selecting Task Manager. Then right-click on the apps you're not using and then click on End Task. Next, hop into Fortnite and it should be running super smooth now. No more FPS drops or annoying lag. So that's the lockdown on fixing FPS drops and lag in Fortnite in your gaming rig. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.